Hey everyone, it's Norm here from International Motor Cars, and you can see we've got this beautiful matte black Tesla Model X in. And today, I'm gonna show you guys one of my absolute favorite features of this car. So let's walk up and we'll get the show started. So when you're in your Model X, you're gonna go to your toy box, which is located down here in the bottom menu, right there. And right here where it says Model Christmas, we're gonna click that. And we're gonna click this, Start the Show. So it says the show will begin after you exit your Model X, close all the doors, press the lock button on your key fob. Happy holidays. So let's go outside. We'll shut the door. And got my key fob. You ever seen anything like that before, Linda?
Never.
So there you have it. That is the Tesla Model X Christmas mode, Christmas dance, and I hope you guys have enjoyed watching it. If you liked it, go ahead, give me a thumbs up on this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.
Thank you.